We're making a lot of moves. Here's the thing about now. Me can't make you convince me say a business degree that make no sense. You can't convince me of that. Because the fact is that most people that are doing music, most of the people involved in the music industry, never in the music business, never actually studied business. And they never sit down and study how Microsoft started. And they never sit down and wonder how Texaco got global. And they never sit down and study people like Rothschild and these people. And they never study nothing outside of C major, E minor, you see me? E flat. That is all I know. So every once in a while, ones have to kind of there I put things in a sensible frame for the one side. They show them we're keeping overseas, but no. The vibes don't seem like it's there, you see me? Or it seems like it's drug-induced vibes. And I feel like if that's what we're depending on for a genre, it's really unshaky, bro. I think we need to consolidate this industry. We need to start working against each other, which by means that if the audience is going to be in Europe and the music and the talent going to be developed in Jamaica, it cannot be at the expense of each other. And that is what is going on right now. As soon as we lose grip of an artist here because they start to cater too much for over here, no more hit songs, no more influential songs, no more impactful songs. You see me? And I don't know if it's me alone noticed that. My sister in Kalila Rose also mentioned where they say, yo, warm to the white superstars. Like you Europeans don't want any more gentlemen. And they don't want any more Alborosi. You see me? Like where are the white, where are the, you don't want any more seed. Like that is what is happening as a result of the root being spoiled. You can't create any real legends. Europe, you can't create any real reggae legends. If UB40 are going to be the best creators of reggae in the world, then they ain't a problem. You see me? But we will never create. You see me? Everybody will produce and make reggae, them have to do some copying. We will never originate the culture. The culture will always originate from Jamaica. See me? And yeah, but it just makes sense part of the roots, feel so. You see me? Ineffable Records, Silly Works, Delicious Vinyl. You see me? I hope we have a headquarters in Jamaica. You see me? I hope we have a headquarters in Jamaica. And if you don't, that's probably why certain thing, no song, no dep on you. You can't put a song on the top 100. You see me? Just a small mess. You see me? But if we run in an industry where the root and the branches are so far from each other, it's a rough. You see me? It's like you have to have a strong tree trunk in there somewhere for that work out. You see me? But yeah, I'm not just saying that for knock ones. I'm saying that because ones can link up and it's not as expensive to have an office in Jamaica as you may think. And I think that would benefit everybody. I think we could coordinate the development of these artists a little bit better. And I think it's something that we have to do, or else a lot less money going to get made. You guys' festivals are going to continue to diminish. And when you lose money off a festival, it's like, you see me, we'd have to take years to make that money then. You see me? So when you lose big. When record labels lose, people act like say record labels don't shut down every day. You see me? Yeah, most record labels end up shutting down, just like how a lot of artists end up cannot continue to do music. You see me? So it don't make sense to work against each other. The better development of artists, the more money. The owner can say, boy, we have these 5 artists and you can go to Sony and you can take 30 million US off of Sony. You see me? That is what you can do instead of the little scraping and fuckery where you see everybody doing. You see me? And the European overseas reggae, it is too watered down to have certain level of impact. So the only way you can get on the impact is if you send people like Gentleman Alborosi out here. So that's the only way you can really do certain things. You see me? And we just need to get back to that and acknowledge certain things. I know say being white is not easy to understand, so you have to work with the black rules. You see me? But it's better to understand it than to lose 150,000 US at a festival. You see me? Alright, but big up.